Hello dear students, this is just a tutorial for you to know how to record your speaking exam in case this is the first time you present the speaking exam. So the first thing you gotta know is that you will have 6 minutes in Virtual Savannah to record your exam. You will have 6 minutes. What is the idea? You will have 2 minutes to read the question and think about your answer. You can take some notes. In Studium, they are going to give you a piece of paper where you can take some notes, and you can spend 2 minutes thinking about your answer. After those 2 minutes, you will start speaking, and then you will have 2 extra minutes to upload the audio, for the internet to upload your audio. So there is going to be a countdown started in 6, then you start thinking, then you will have 2 minutes to speak. You can speak for 1 minute and 30 seconds, maximum 2 minutes. That would be a good time. And then you will have 2 extra minutes to upload the audio. Where do you need to click to record? You will click on an icon there that is like a microphone. The first thing, of course, is to click on attempt quiz. Then it's going to ask you for the password. People in Studium are going to give you a password. Then the exam is going to appear and the time starts. The 6 minutes start. You think for 2 minutes and then you click on the microphone. So you start speaking and you speak for 2 minutes. It can be a microphone or it can be this little icon there. So you speak for 2 minutes. You click on start recording. You speak for 2 minutes. And then you have to click on stop recording. After that, then, you're going to have to click on attach recording. That is the yellow button. You click there in order to save your audio. Here you can click on this icon so that you can play the audio and make sure that you really recorded your answer. You don't have to listen to all. Please don't listen to all the answer because then the time is going to be over. Just listen to a little part to make sure that everything was good. And then click on finish attempt. Then you need to reconfirm. So submit all and finish and you will be ready to go.